artist is climbing 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree, right? So let's visualize. So we have a pole and a circuit artist is climbing 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tight from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So this length is given. Length is given how much? 20 meters. Angle is given. So angle is given 30 degree. Angle is given 30 degree. And they ask you to find the height of the pole. They ask you to find the height of the pole, right? So this angle is known to us. Length is given. And we need to find the height. So basically, in such type of questions, we need to think which trigonometric law we need to apply. Sine theta, cos theta, or tan theta. Now, hypotenuse is known to us. Angle is given. Perpendicular we need to find. Clear? Okay. Now, everything is known to us. So basically, we apply sine theta. Sine theta. So what is sine theta? That is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So perpendicular is basically AB and hypotenuse is AC. So what is the value of AB? AB is H and AC is 20. AC is 20. Now we need to find the value of H. So it is nothing but 20 times of sine 30 degree. So 20 into sine 30. Sine 30 is basically half is equal to H. So it will get cancelled out. So height is nothing but 10 meters. So the required height of pole is 10 meters. Required height of pole is 10 meters. The question says that a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. So inclination is given as 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Find the length of the string when there is no slack in the string. So they ask you to find the length. That means this hypotenuse part. Angle is given 60 degree. Perpendicular, that is 60 meters is given, right? Now, we need to find this length basically. Yeah. This one. So let us name the triangle as OAB. OAB. So we need to find this length AB. Now use the formula sine theta. So sine theta is basically DO or OB over AB. What is OB? That is 60. And what is the value of sine theta? That is sine 60. So sine 60 degree is equal to 60 over AB. So AB is equal to 60 over sine 60. So 60 over sine 60. What is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. So it is nothing but 120 over root 3. Now we'll do rationalization. We need to multiply root 3 in the numerator as well as in denominator. So root 3 over root 3. So it is nothing but 120 root 3 over 3. So it is 40 root 3. So the required length is 40 root 3. So 3 4s are 12. So it is 40 root 3. So this required length is 40 root 3. So length is 40 root 3.